First, open the notepad. The code starts by importing the HTTP module, which provides functionalities to create an HTTP server. This function is used to create the server. Inside it, there's a callback function. First request represents the request from the client, and response used to send back the response to the client. The server sets a response header using this. This means the server responds with an HTTP status code of 200, which means OK. And the content type is text HTML, indicating that the response will be HTML. This line writes the requested URL to the response. After writing the requested URL, it is called to end the response, meaning the server is done sending data. The server listens on port 8080. When you visit the link, it will respond by displaying the part of the URL after the domain. Then, save the file. Go to Start menu and click on the Node.js command prompt. Now command prompt is open. The location of your file and initiate the file. After that, copy the link on the module and paste it to your browser. Copy also the second one and paste it to your browser. You see two different results when opening these two addresses.